What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play It's You by Gatie. This song was a special request by 101 Blazer, so shoutouts to you, big homie. You better watch this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell. That way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I will throat punch you in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes, so if you want some free shit, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So the song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to that 2nd fret. So you're starting out with your index finger on your 1st fret of your B string, and you're going to pluck your A and that B string at the same time. We'll give a little slap there, mute it, and then pick the E string, the high E, and that B string at the same time. So next, you're going 3rd fret on your D string, 2nd fret on your G string, and you're just plucking both of those at the same time. Doing the same thing, give it a little slap and mute it, and then you're going to put that pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you're going to pluck the B string and the G string at the same time. And mute it. That looks like. Move your ring finger up to the 5th fret on your D string, middle finger on the 4th fret of your G string, index finger on the 3rd fret of your B string, and then you're going to pluck the D and the G string at the same time, mute it, and then pluck the B and the G string, and then mute it. So. And then finally, you're going to put your index finger back on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to pluck the high E and the B, mute it, and then you're putting your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you're doing that B string and the G string. And sometimes during the song, he just does that and mutes it, and then sometimes he plucks it, hammers onto the 5th fret of the B string. So all together, this looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.